opening series, that is learning computer with seeing the greeny sides of Indian cultivating field. Now today some important point related to the computer I am going to discuss. The internet is a network of computer which links many different types of computer all over the world. It is a network of networks sharing a common mechanism for addressing or identifying computers and a common set of communication protocols for communication between two computers on the network. Electronic mail service, also known as email in short, enables an internet user to send a message to another internet user in any part of the world in a near real-time manner. File transfer protocol service, known as FTP, enables an internet user to move a file from one computer to another. Telnet service enables an internet user to log into another computer on the internet from his or her local computer. Usernet service enables a group of internet users to exchange their views, ideas or information on some common topic of interest with all members belonging to the group. Four basic services provided by the internet to its users are electronic mail, file transfer protocol, telnet and usenet news. The www, that is www, uses a concept called hypertext. Hypertext documents on the internet are known as web pages. Web designers create web pages by using a special language called hypertext markup language, HTML, abbreviated as HTML, which is a powerful language for linking documents for easier electronic access and manipulation. An internet search engine is an application which helps users locate websites containing useful information and references to such information on the www. Some important use of the internet are for online communication, exchange of views, software sharing, exchange of view on topics of common interest, organization promotion, posting of information of general interest, product promotion and feedback about products, customer support services, online journals and magazine, online shopping, worldwide video conferencing and worldwide webcasting. To use a computer as a web client, a user needs to load on it a special software tool known as www browser or browser in short. Normally browsers provide several navigation facilities to help users save time while internet surfing. So these are the some important points related to the internet and web browsing. I think you have enjoyed this.